Kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey Kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. Hello. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by my smart part of the YouTube universe once again, okay? Thank you, Kings and queens. And if you are new here, welcome to my shenanigans, all of that, okay? And if you do enjoy the content on this channel, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. Appreciates you, thank you, and welcome. We welcome you. So as you can see by the title, this is my second... What is it? This is my paycheck number 2 for April. This is just the cash stuff into. I can see the whole lot of what's good, what's going on. And then I can close out April and we can get into this May pay, okay? Let me tell y'all something. It is not now, Ariana, go about your business. It is May 10th, okay? Who hasn't budgeted their paycheck number 1? Whose paycheck number 2 is coming up in 4 days, okay? Child, let's not talk about it. Let's just get into this coins, okay? Let's start off with our fixed cash envelope binder. Child, what is in here? We putting some money in there, so let's see. I'm trying to have this hold it up, child. Okay, there we go. All right, let me make sure that y'all can see and it's all good. Yes, it's all good. Okay, so first we have groceries, but groceries is not getting anything because she got her full coinage for the month. Fuel is getting $25. That's a 20 and a 5. Okay, and fuel right now with this $25, how much she got? Fuel got a lot of money. She got coins. Fuel got money. So fuel right now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, $99. See, okay. Little things like this make you upset. Why couldn't it just be 100? Why couldn't it just be 100? Okay. Ugh. Okay, so fuel has $99 now. We'll update everything later. Crown not getting no money. Fine wine. Ooh, we loves her, but she's already been used. Okay, she's already got her money, so she fine. Who next? Allowance gets $100, so that's $100 right here. So we're gonna put her in there. All right. Household, she gets $10. Okay, household gets $10. So household has 100, 120, 140, 41, 42. And so with this $10, okay, she go up 100, 120, 140, 150, 51, and 152. Okay, talk to me nice and don't play with me at all. Period. Tell it to him, household. Tell him put some respect on your name. Toiletries, she getting $5. $5, okay? And if you think $5 is little, in Jamaica we say we're little but we're talawa, okay? We're little but we're bad from a bond, okay? Let me tell it to you, okay? Don't let me preach in patwa in here in Jamaican, okay? Let's get into it. So toiletries had previously 50, 100. Oh child, Lord, see when you get ahead of yourself and then you can't count. Don't come from anyways, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. Okay, so it says $82. So we're gonna add this 5. And so now toiletries has 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, and $87. We love to see it. It's the climb for me. What is it for you? Because it's the climbing coinage for me. Waxing, she's perfectly fine. Matter of fact, when's my next wax appointment? My girl ain't texting me now because I be forgetting my date. She be like, come along now, and I be like, yes ma'am. Waxing, nothing. Health, nothing. Miscellaneous. Ooh, oh, she gets nothing. Ooh, it's ghetto out here for the girls. Upcoming bills, she is perfectly fine as well. So that is all for our fixed cash envelopes. Let's, oh child, ooh, problem on set. Let's move into our luxury cash envelopes. So go like that so they can see. Let me make sure y'all are seeing. I want y'all to see, but I ain't trying to block. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. So first we have clothing. She good. Support a friend. Nope. Budgeting buys. We are still doing April, but in May we're moving them coinage, so it's all good. Going away. Nobody ain't leaving, so it's all good. Going out. Well, damn. Is anybody getting money? Electronics is getting $10. Okay. So right now electronics has 100, 150, 171, 80, 81, and 82. And with this $10, we are doing 100, 150, 171, 81, 90, 91, and 192, which these are exciting times, okay? Exciting times, because I am going to use a combination of my birthday money and probably electronics to buy me a camera, y'all, so my phone can stop having all the storage. Y'all, during my break, I deleted so much like videos from YouTube. My phone had so much videos, because you know, when you record on your phone, if you're a YouTuber, you know, when you record on your phone, sometimes you need to keep the videos just in case like you lose the footage, child, or like what you edited got accidentally deleted and now you pissed, but you gotta redo it, so you gotta keep the original. And then after all said and done, you're like, okay, I'm done. I ain't worried about it no more. Child, that was me. YouTube ain't getting a thing. Who next? Nails? No, ma'am. Massage and facials? Not today. Chiropractor going to turn to massage, and massage and facials going to turn to just facials. Okay? Believe it when you see it. Okay? Business. She gets $20. Aight. So 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210. So 210 is in business, and we're going to add. It's $20, so we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, and 230 is now in a business. We love to see it. Giveaway. She gets nothing. Budgeted, they gets nothing, and that is it for our luxury cash envelopes. So last time I split up sinking funds and cash envelopes. That ain't for this. We ain't got enough time or enough change to be doing all that. So let's get into it, little baby. Juneteenth. She ain't getting no coin because she fully funded. Child, y'all, I need to figure out what I want to do with my Juneteenth money. Like, here's my thing. Y'all, please tell me in the comments below businesses, black businesses that I can support. Let me be specific. Juneteenth, June 19th, if you don't know, is when the slaves in the South finally heard word that slavery was abandoned, because, child, I think it was like for 2 years they were still doing free labor, thinking slavery was still a thing. Girl, get into it, okay? Let me tell you, Grownish taught me that. Know your black history. I just moved here, so some of these things I have to learn. Okay, and so that is what inspired Juneteenth. If you don't know, now you know, get into it. But yeah, send me black businesses. June 19th is Juneteenth. I'm pretty sure some people's gonna have sale. Listen, send me the sales too, okay? A girl's on a budget, okay? She loves to spend, but she loves to save. Ooh, get into it. Black Friday, she's fully funded as well. Black Friday is my Christmas gift. And let me tell you, you budget this money, you save this money, you better spend this money on yourself as well, okay? Black Friday is my Christmas, and she's fully funded, so there's nothing for her. Child, the day I'm recording this is after Mother's Day, which is May 10th when you guys are seeing this. So special occasions got monties used, okay? So $25 is going to special occasions. Right now it has $150, and child, that's because I haven't like done April closeout to take all this money away, so that's why they still looking at the full. Don't believe the lie. So special occasions has 100, 150, 170, 175. I think that should be good for Mother's Day for all my stuff that I did. So I think that should be good, guys. I think I'm still good. So that's special occasions. Thanksgiving, no, but if you want to know what Thanksgiving is, listen, all that money around Thanksgiving costs, not all that money, but all that food around Thanksgiving costs money. So help out, because I'm definitely gonna eat, okay? Period. Annual subscriptions. She getting $10. Okay, man. Getting where you fitting in. Period. Annual subs currently has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125. With this $10. With the $10 added. Okay, added. She now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135. Added. Yo, I love like British talk. Like, oh, child. Christmas bills. You getting $4. 4 singles, baby. Get them to her. She is getting $1, 2, 3, $4. I love to see it. Don't you love to see it? We love to see it. $4. So right now, Christmas bills has 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we're adding $4. So she's going to be 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Why do I have Christmas and I have Christmas bills? Because, okay, when people come to your house, you need to have a Thanksgiving bills too. Because when people come to your house, they start using up all your water. They start using up all your light, your electricity, your gas, child. Ooh, even your car start using more gas. Baby, the holidays, it's a scam on the pockets. It's a serious thing. It's a scam on the pockets, ain't it? For real. It's a scam on the pockets. The holidays, that's what it is. Anyways, let's get into the rest of the thing. So this is my fixed sinking funds, which they get stuff because mama's got life to be lived, okay? Home, she getting $20. I honestly don't feel like counting her up. Most of these cash envelopes are over $1,000, so, but I don't really feel like counting them right now, so it is what it is. Travel is getting $20 as well, guys. Your girl used like $630 of her travel because I'm going to travel to one more place in Korea called Jeju before I leave. And so there's a trip that they are doing that I signed up for, so I don't have to worry about anything, don't have to worry about where I'm gonna stay, don't have to worry about what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna eat. Everything is all inclusive, $630, the plane to get there and come back, all of that, child. So I was like, okay, the headache non-existent, boom. So travel was used, okay? Because you ain't meant to just stuff these sinking funds, you meant to use them too. Get them to it. Car maintenance, she's getting $20. We love her. We love car maintenance because car maintenance is over $600. She cute, okay? She very cute. Get it to her. Queen's B-Day. That's me, right? That's me. I think I'm fully funded. I think my birthday is fully funded. Nothing is going to it because that's a lie. I ain't done April yet. So I've already stuffed my April $50 bill. So when I do May cash stuff in, then I'll be fully funded for Queen's B-Day. But technically, since my money's in the bank, I'm fully funded, child. Don't come for me. I ain't did not a damn budget. Family B-Day is good. They only get stuff once a month. First month's bill, she getting $100. And I think like once she gets this $100, like she should be good. I think she should be at like $1,500, and I think that's what I said was for her. We can count up first month's bill just as a luxury, guys. Let's count it up. So first month's bill has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Yep. It has $1,500, and this is for my move-in expenses. So my first month's rent. This is for my security deposit. Being in the military, sometimes your girl ain't got a pay that. Okay, get into it. First month's security deposit, and what's that thing called? My fee. That little fee for them to check to see my credit or whatever. The good. Okay, over $750. Okay, get into it. Christmas ain't getting nothing. And Jamaica Vacay is getting $20. Bet. So we're gonna put $20 in Jamaica vacay. All right. And then that is it for the cash stuffing of it all. Now this $110 that is left is for my tithing. Normally I would be stuffing tithes, but your girl has decided to stop stuffing tithes and just do automatic transfer from one account to the other. Okay, so that is it for this $110. But that's all I got, guys. This was cute. This was cute. This was cute. Hopefully I can start doing my budget and doing my cash stuffing, so I can move these coins, because you guys know I'm digital, and I am using prop money to stuff these coins. So yeah, I just need to get my life together. It's taking a while, but I'm getting my life together, y'all. Finally. Okay, all right, bet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, because child, girl, get it together. I hope you enjoyed the content here on this channel. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because what, even your enemies need blessing. My older but goodie, if you have been here forever, you know that's my saying. Thank you so much again for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.